Friedreich's ataxia or FA is a rare genetic progressive neurological disease which damages the nervous system and can affect children from a young age. Symptoms of the disease include ataxia, which is poor muscle control, causing clumsy movements such as balance and gait issues, poor coordination, and speech and swallowing issues. Other symptoms can include hearing and vision impairment, fatigue, muscle spasticity, scoliosis, heart disease and diabetes. Although ataxia is always present, the appearance of other symptoms may or may not be present for everyone. Symptoms generally surface between 5 and 15 years of age, although they can first appear far later. After the age of onset, symptoms become progressively worse, and patients generally become confined to a wheelchair after 10 to 20 years. Being diagnosed with FA is life-changing and can be very difficult as the disease affects so many important aspects of a person's physical ability and treatment options are very limited. FA affects about 1 in 50,000 people and is autosomal recessive, meaning individuals with the disease inherited 2 copies of the abnormal gene from their parents. Every cell in our body contains DNA that we inherit from our parents. DNA contains the instructions on how to build you and keep your body working. But DNA can contain mistakes or mutations which can cause problems. The gene causing FA is called the FXN gene and it codes for a mitochondrial protein called frataxin. When the body wants to build a protein, the DNA is first copied into a strand of RNA in a complex and precise process called transcription. RNA is then used as instructions to build the protein. The genetic mutation in FA patients causes the DNA of the FXN gene to clump up, causing transcription issues, which results in significantly less frataxin being produced. Frataxin resides in your cell's mitochondria and is important to the creation of cellular energy, or ATP. Without it, the mitochondria cannot efficiently create energy, which results in the creation of many free radicals, causing oxidative stress which damages the cell. Over time, this causes progressively more and more damage to nerves and other tissues, resulting in the progressive worsening of symptoms. Because FA symptoms can be so broad, diagnosis can be difficult. Physicians use tools such as brain scans, blood tests, nerve conduction tests, and a thorough physical examination to diagnose this disease. Although there is no cure for FA, a new medication called Skyclarys can slow the progression of the disease and reverse some of the symptoms' severity. Skyclarys works by activating the NRF2 pathway, which causes the body to build many more antioxidants and reduce inflammation to combat the oxidative stress. In addition, it is common to treat individual symptoms such as hearing impairment with hearing aids and scoliosis with braces. Physiotherapy is also important for people with FA as it can help prolong and improve coordination, balance, strength and stability. In later stages of the disease, individuals become confined to a wheelchair, have significant difficulty speaking and swallowing, sensory issues are more prevalent, and heart disease and diabetes become more common. Heart disease is a common complication of FA, affecting about 75% of patients and becomes increasingly severe in later stages of the disease, making it the most common cause of death for patients. People with FA typically have a shorter life expectancy than the general population, largely due to the heart disease. Many people with FA live into their 30s, however some individuals can live into their 60s. Although there is no cure for FA, research is ongoing and the first medication specifically for FA was recently approved by the FDA in late 2022. Organizations such as the Friedreich's Ataxia Research Alliance invests millions of dollars every year to further our understanding of the disease and develop treatments, so that one day, FA can be better treated or cured entirely.